In this project, you'll be designing and making a 3D printed tactile game for the blind and visually impaired. The process begins by learning about a range of attributes that are commonly featured in tactile games, including distinguishable textures, positional structures that keep objects in place, and descriptive elements such as symbols and braille. You'll then immerse yourself in a visually impaired experience by following step-by-step instructions to design, 3D print, and play an example game, which consists of a series of raised and embossed textures. The aim of the game is to match the tiles as quickly as possible using only your sense of touch with a single hand, promoting both tactile and memory skills. And finally, the main part of the project involves the challenge of using your newly acquired knowledge and skills to design a unique tactile game that goes beyond the basic features of the example you simulated. Let's have fun with inclusive design.